Remove the engine cover. Firstly unscrew the oil cap, then lift the cover off the engine. For safety, replace the oil filler cap. Remove the rubber injector cover. This should easily lift off. Remove the rail connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Then, connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Disconnect the factory boost connector by pressing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Replace the rubber injector cover. This may need tucking back into place. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place.